Imagine this. You're fired up, ready to turn your awesome images into stunning, dynamic videos. But you keep getting caught in the same online traps, sites that lure you in just to throw up a paywall. Or worse, demand your credit card the exact moment you hit generate. Frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you that today, I'm revealing 3 top-secret websites that give you the creative freedom to convert images into videos, absolutely free, with no limits. This isn't clickbait, and there are no hidden terms. And I promise you won't be hearing the same old names like Runway or Pika, tools that are now fully paid and, honestly, a waste of time if you're on a budget. These 3 tools are true hidden gems. By the end of this video, you'll have a perpetual motion machine for your creativity, letting you generate content non-stop without spending a single dime. If you're serious about creating content, you need to stick around, because what I'm about to show you could completely revolutionize your entire workflow. Number 3. ChatGLM. Kicking things off at number 3. First, just search for ChatGLM on Google, and the official site is usually the first result. Now, the website is in Chinese by default, but don't worry, your browser will translate it for you automatically. The first thing you need to do is register, but it asks for a phone number. Here's an exclusive pro tip. Just open another tab and Google temp number. Find a site that provides free temporary numbers. I tested it with a US number, and it works perfectly for receiving the verification code to complete your registration. Once you're logged in, find the video function in the left-hand menu. Upload your image, set the aspect ratio to fit your project, and give it a simple description. Click Generate, and in just a few minutes, your static image comes to life. Look at this result. The best part is that ChatGLM is completely free and has no usage limits. The only cost? You might have to wait a few minutes for it to process. But for a zero-cost tool, it's absolutely worth it. Number 2. AI Video Maker. Next up, we have a tool that is an absolute lifesaver. Search for AI Video Maker on Google and click the first link. You'll land on an incredibly clean interface. And here's the best part. You don't need to register or even log in. Just click Image to Video, upload your file, and type your command into the prompt box. Something like, animate this image. Hit Generate, and in just a few seconds, your video is ready. Its key advantage is pure convenience and efficiency. It's totally free and completely unlimited. You can think of it as your go-to powerhouse for endless content, ready to use whenever, wherever. Number 1. Google Studio AI. And finally, it's time to reveal today's champion, a powerhouse from Google called Google Studio AI. Same as before, search for the full name on Google and go to the official site. On the left, find the Generate Media option. You'll see a whole suite of AI tools. From there, select VO Video. The interface is super clean. Just click the plus icon to upload your image, write your creative idea in the prompt box, set your video ratio, and then click Run. In a matter of seconds, Google's AI will bring your vision to life. While it is free, each account has a limit of 10 video generations. But what happens when you run out? You already know the drill. Just create a new Google account, and you're back in business. Since this is a Google product, that small hurdle is barely an inconvenience. Alright, there you have it. 3 of the best-kept secrets for turning your images into videos for free. Now, I have a question for you. Out of these 3 tools, which one are you most excited to try first? Or, if you know of any other hidden gems like these, share them in the comments below. Let's help each other out and build a community of smart creators. If you found this video valuable, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss out on the next wave of game-changing AI tools that will transform your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.